बारे में ट्रेनिंग देते हैं, 3rd ईयर 4th ईयर, और इनको इंडस्ट्री के लिहाज से ट्रेनिंग देते हैं, जिसमें कि इंजेक्शन मोल्डिंग, वायर कट, CNC, टूल डिजाइनिंग और दूसरे तमाम चीज़ों की हम ट्रेनिंग देते हैं, और इंडस्ट्री के लिए हम प्रोडक्शन यूनिट के लिए इनको ट्रेन करते हैं।
The project of instrumentation and process control technology was prepared by PSTC, PCSIR, Government of Pakistan, and completed with the collaboration of Spanish government. The program was commenced in the year 2005 to train students in instrumentation and process control technology for 30 students. In the latest technology, having skyscraping skilled manpower for most significant industries, example fertilizer plants, refineries, power plants, cement plants, etc. PSTC is now serving the nation by providing highly skilled manpower in 3 disciplines duly approved by the Sindh Board of Technical Education, with 106 in morning session and 66 in the evening session in a year in DAE courses. These students are capable to serve local and multinational industries as well as the government sector at high sophisticated engineering areas. Apart from DAE programs, PSTC has also initiated BTech degree program in mechanical technology with the affiliation of NED University of Engineering and Technology.
In 2009, our very important program, which is affiliated with NED University of Engineering and Technology, that is the BTech program. This program is really a great platform for the student to go toward the higher education, especially towards BE or towards MS or MBA.
CNC machines are playing a very vital and active role in engineering and technology. CAM is being extensively used in industries for dies and molds, manufacturing and structural components. Each trainee of PSTC has extensive practical session with CNC machines.
So far, PSTC has produced 203,000 skilled associate engineers in different technologies on hand skill, who have gainfully been employed in the industries and organizations of Pakistan and abroad.
PSTC started a new section of die and mold technology, and I got an opportunity to get an advanced diploma training in die and mold technology. During this time, we have 2 Swiss teachers, Mr. Elvis Bischoff and Mr. Nagli. Mr. Bischoff was very knowledgeable, very energetic, and very kind. He played an important role to my professional life. In 1984, I received a scholarship and I was sent to Switzerland for advanced training in die and mold technology. When we talk about Pak Swiss Training Center, there is one name without Pak Swiss is not complete, and this is Mr. Tufail Ahmed Bukhari.
हर शख्स उस शख्सियत को जानता है कि उस शख्स की जो इल्मी और ज़ाती दिलचस्पी इस सेंटर के हवाले से रही, उसने उन लोगों को एक बहुत बड़ा मकाम दिला है।
पाक स्विस ट्रेनिंग सेंटर में जो हमारा बेसिक जो मैं समझता हूँ जो चीज़ सीखी, वो हमें एक तो मेन थी ऑनेस्टी और एक डेडिकेशन ऑफ वर्क।
सबसे पहले जब मैं पाक स्विस से पास आउट हुआ तो मैंने पाक स्विस में ही पढ़ाया। गौहर साहब का एज ए असिस्टेंट गौहर साहब के साथ मैंने काम किया। इंडस्ट्री में इस नाम की वजह से, पाक स्विस की वजह से हमें बहुत इज्जत मिली, बहुत काम मिला।
Our semester system is 6 month period. After in precision mechanics we have 3 years, 6 semesters, and dies and mold technology we have 8 semesters. And the duration of period is 4 years.
Here at PSTC hostels, the students coming from all over Pakistan are being accommodated. In the hostel, we have the facilities of furnished rooms, mess, common hall, prayer area.
Besides workshops mainly, we have various laboratories, the physics laboratory, chemistry laboratory, and fluid mechanics laboratory, and other laboratories as well. We have a computer lab, we have a library, we have a residential accommodation as well here, hostels, and also we have a system of their foods and everything, residents in the hostels. I would like to extend my heartiest thanks and appreciation to His Excellency Mr. Emil Weiss, the Consul General of Switzerland. He has supported really a gentleman, and I thanks once again for him.
The STC is in the process of upgradation and modernization in terms of latest state-of-the-art machinery and equipment and training facilities to fulfill the present-day requirements of the industries and organizations.